Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Beast YouTube channel where you can learn something useful. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2021 step by step with new methods. If you are new here, so please subscribe Wiki Beast YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification of our future videos before anyone else. As a matter of fact, YouTube is the leading platform in the world where people can share their great video contents and skills with hundreds and thousands and millions of people around the world, through which they can earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. As a reminder, earning through YouTube needs passion, patience, skills, and consistency. You need to have great consistency at all. To be on point, let's focus on how to make a new YouTube channel in 2021 step by step. The first step for creating a YouTube channel is having a Google account. So first of all, you need to have a Gmail account through which you can create a brand new YouTube account. So we can create a Google account in two ways. One is through creating a direct Gmail account through www.gmail.com, and the second is directly through YouTube. To create an account, I will show you both ways. First of all, let's go to gmail.com through Firefox browser. I'm going to type here gmail.com. So whenever you open gmail.com, here is an option which is create an account. To create a Google or Gmail account, click on create an account. As you can see that a new tab has been opened here, and this asks our first name, last name, username, and password for creating a Gmail account. And the next method or the next way is creating an account directly through youtube.com. As you can see on the right upper corner of the YouTube dashboard, there is an option sign in. Currently we don't have any account to sign in, but for creating a new YouTube channel we should click on sign in option. As it asks our email address or phone number to log in to or to sign in our Google account, but we don't have, so click on create an account. So there is two options. One is for myself and the second one is to manage my business. So you can create two types of accounts for yourself or for your managing business. So here I want to go for myself. As you can see in this form as well, it asks certain information such as first name, last name, email address, and new password and confirming password. So the only difference between opening or creating an account through gmail.com and youtube.com is that we open Gmail account for using to sending and receiving email purposes, and we create directly YouTube account or Gmail account or Google account through YouTube to creating just YouTube channel. As you can see here, that create a new Gmail address instead. So whenever you go through youtube.com, so there is an extra option with the name of create a new Gmail address instead. But whenever you click on gmail.com, this option or this notification isn't mentioned here. So better to go through gmail.com. So I'm going to write here my first name. You can write your first name as well based on your passport or national identification number, and last name. And in the username area, you should choose an email address. So in the username area, you should choose or write an email address for which you wanna open your YouTube channel account. For example, we have selected an individual, or for myself, I'm gonna write date, my name, (2021). So I want to write my password. For example, this is my password, and I should retype the password for confirmation purpose. And after this, we can click on the next option. So for recovery purposes and for security reasons, you should insert your phone number as well. So here I'm typing my mobile phone number. And you can add an extra email address for recovery purpose or for securing your account. For example, I am writing my current account or my current email address. Here you should select your date of birth. And you can select your gender type, male, female, whatever you want. And click on next option. As you can see that our email address has been created, and we should click on I agree. Now our new Gmail account or Google account is loading, and our email address will open in a few moments. Wow, so our new Gmail account or Google account has been created, and we have received an automatic email from the Google community for to finish setting up your new Google account. As this was the first step for creating a YouTube channel in 2021, so now we should go to youtube.com. As you can see the sign in option on the right upper corner, so we should click on sign in. As you can see that my new email address has been listed here on my Google accounts list, so you can just click on your new account name and enter your password here. Click on next. You can either save or don't save the password. So as you can see that we have logged in into our Google account in YouTube, and on the upper right corner you can see that the sign in option has been changed into the first letter of my name. So for creating a brand new channel in 2021, we should click on our profile name, click on here, and then click on create a channel. So here you have an option that get started or no thanks. Click on get started. So on the left side you can see your name as you have created your previous Gmail or Google account in gmail.com on the left side, or you can use a custom name for your account as well. So if you want to go for your personal account name, so you can select or choose your name on the left side. And if you want to open or create a new channel with different name or with a brand new channel name, so you can click on select on the right side. As you can see that for creating your channel name, you should write channel name here. For example, I'm going to write Wiki Language YouTube channel. So in this channel I will be sharing my great language lessons and language learning videos, so you can go and subscribe this new YouTube channel as well by the name of Wiki Language 2. So for accepting and confirming the YouTube policies in general, you should click on I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings including YouTube search and watch history. Then click on create. Wow, nice work. Your channel Wiki Language has been created. So my channel under the name of Wiki Language has been created here. So whenever we go to the bottom area, here is an option upload a profile picture. You can upload your profile picture for the YouTube channel. Click on upload picture or on the camera icon. Here for example, I'm going to upload my profile picture as Wiki Language. Open. And you can remove and replace the profile picture later as well. And here is the description of your channel or the newly created YouTube channel. I'm gonna write here, this YouTube channel is created for sharing great language learning videos to the pupil. So I have wrote a very short channel description here, so you can write whatever you want, including your links and whatever you want here. Here you can write the URL or domain name of your website. For example, I'm writing here www.wikilanguage.com or whatever you want. And you can add up your social links, for example Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, or you can also click on setup later. So now I'm gonna click on save and continue in order to save and publish my profile picture name in the description. So this is the dashboard of your newly created YouTube channel, and here you can see that home and your uploaded videos will be in videos tab, playlists, channels, discussion and about. For example, we have created added some information in our YouTube channel, so you can see this information in about tab. And also you can upload your new videos by clicking on upload video button here, or by clicking on the create icon and click on upload videos. So this was a short video on how to create a new YouTube channel in 2021, but one of the most important options or settings in newly created YouTube channels is verifying the phone numbers, which gives a lot more features to your YouTube channel. So for activating or for verification of your mobile phone number in your YouTube account, you should go to your channel studio and click on settings, and after settings here click on channel status and features. As you can see here on the left side, the channel tab and the main area, the feature eligibility. Here default features are enabled in your newly created YouTube account or YouTube channel. But for extra features, you should verify your phone number in your YouTube account. So click on here. As you can see on the left side that whenever you verify your mobile phone number, you can upload more than 15 minutes videos, and you can add custom thumbnails, and you can go live streaming, and even you can appeal for your content ID claims as well. So for verification of your phone number, click on verify phone number. So here select your country wherever you live, and on the below option you can either go for calling option and or text me the verification code as well. Write your phone number. Just click on submit option. So after sending your phone number or submitting your phone number, please check your mobile phone, and you will receive a 6-digit code, verification code from YouTube, and you should enter that in your YouTube channel. As here you can see in my mobile phone number that the verification code for this channel is 613868, and I should enter this here, 6138 and 68. Click on submit. So now my newly created account has been verified to YouTube, and there is a message, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. So my current account, Wiki Language YouTube channel, is verified to YouTube. Now I can upload any type of video based on community guidelines and policy of YouTube. So this was a short video for creating a new YouTube channel in 2021, and it's the most important setting for creating a new channel. So I will be adding more YouTube channel related videos in the coming days, such as how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more subscribers and watch time, how to earn money through YouTube, how to customize your brand new YouTube channel, creating thumbnails, adding subscription button in your YouTube videos, and a lot more. So at the end, thanks for your time for watching for this video, and for receiving notification of our future videos, please subscribe Wiki Beast channel and press on bell icon. Until our next video, goodbye and wish you best of luck. If you may have any question or problem, so please write in the comment section below of this video. I will reply with a solution as soon as possible. Thank you.